I'ma die. I ain't gonna hold you. You gon' die too. You know what I'm saying?
So this is the first. What up? So this is the first of many bird hoop discussions. So we got the niggas. Today, all we have is Jamel, Jaden, and me. But around more people. So today's topic is oh shit. Edit that out. Today's topic is top 10 point guards in the league. So we're gonna go for like going into next year, like what we think. So I mean, whoever wants to go first can go first.
I got it on the go right now. Point guard, top 10.
All right.
Y'all hear me?
Yeah. Jamel's top 10 point guards.
Yeah, number one is Luka. He puts up crazy stats in every game almost. Number two, obviously, Perry. He's one of the best shooters of all time. Arguably the best shooter. Number three is Dame. He averages about 30. Number four is SBA, Shy Bay. Number five is John Morant. And number six is Tyler Halliburton. Number seven is Jamal Murray. Number 8, Dylan Brunson. Number 9, Garland. Number 10, LaMelo Ball. And my honorable mention, Harry Mack.
Bro, did you just put Jamal Murray in your top 10 point guards?
You try to sneak in LaMelo Ball.
And LaMelo. He think he snuck in LaMelo and Jamal Murray in the top 10 basketball, top 10 point guards.
Bro, LaMelo is that guy.
Bro, Jamal Murray is not top 10.
LaMelo is that guy. Okay. He averaged 30 points in the playoffs.
Nigga, that's one.
No way you put LaMelo and didn't put D Fox.
Bro, you're actually drunk. D Fox is like top 5. Fox is top 5.
I wanted to. I just.
You put LaMelo Ball over De'Aaron Fox.
Bro,
are you serious right now?
And Tyrese
I put LaMelo Ball over. Yeah, and Tyrese Maxey.
All right.
Yeah.
Jay, you go next.
All right, I'm gonna start from number 10 up. With my list, I took in team success and personal success.
Yeah.
So number 10, I have Garland number 10. Like just because with Donovan Mitchell there, he's not gonna get as many touches as he should be, and I see the Cavaliers making it to the second round max, and that's
probably
debatable. Number 9, Maxey.
All right, nigga.
Maxey masterclass season on the way. Not gonna lie. But in all seriousness, Maxey is an overall good player, and with the James Harden trade, I feel like we could get more players around him better.
That hasn't happened yet?
It's gonna happen.
We can get a bump.
And then, obviously, we all know the 76ers are second round exits. So we know, it's the same thing every year. Number 8, I put D Fox. I feel like that's self-explanatory. Number 7, I know y'all not gonna agree with this, bro.
Hold on, AG's is on.
But I'm putting Trae Young number 7, bro.
All right, bro.
Trae Young number 5.
Bro, offensively he's a beast, but we all know defensively he's horrible. And then
he's not a beast.
He's in Atlanta, so the team success is iffy. We don't know.
We don't
know what's gonna happen.
He's the leader. What do you mean? He should be leading them to better success.
And he's a best way not championship bound.
It's number 6. I got Halliburton. I didn't really have reasoning behind that. It's just I feel like that's an obvious answer.
Bro, no, it's not, because you put him over. Bro, you put him over so many better players, and his team was terrible last year.
But him,
they can. But I could see his team making the playoffs next year,
right.
As a 7th or 8th seed.
Yeah, I see him playing.
The Pacers? Hell nah, nigga.
Yeah. No, they picked up what's his name from the draft? Jerry Walker, whatever his name. he's a dog. Have you seen him play? They got Buddy Hill. They got Tyus Howard, but like, come on.
Number five, I'm putting Ja. Even with the long suspension, Ja's obviously gonna have
Ja
a
at
good.
5?
Yes, bro. Even with the long suspension, Ja's gonna have a good year. And
That nigga cannot lead a team.
Yes, he can.
Yeah, that's.
Yes, he
That
can.
nigga cannot lead a
Bro,
team.
you
Yeah,
don't.
but it's
He
like,
just got done with his third year, bro. What do you mean he can't lead his team?
the only thing about Ja is like, I noticed, bro, like Ja, even when he doesn't play, obviously the
Really
Grizzlies
still
like
play good.
they're not. Obviously, he adds them to the Grizzlies, but like it's not like, oh, Ja's out there instantly gonna lose.
Yeah.
So it's like, I don't know. He obviously adds something to the team, but it's not like, I don't know how to explain it.
He's not like putting them over the edge because like they're winning without him anyway.
Yeah, it's like,
They're good at it.
and that's what I hope he realizes with the long suspension is that they really like, they can still play good without him. So
Yeah.
it's not like they'll just keep letting it go because they need him.
They can pay him for other stuff.
Nigga
But
need to learn how to behave.
number four, I feel like it's obvious. I'm putting Dame. Dame had one of his greatest, if not his greatest season this year, and I feel like that can carry over to next year. Number three, I got Shay. I'll be saying it different sometimes. Shay, I feel like that's obvious. The Thunder, I don't know about them, but like,
No, they're gonna be good next year.
yeah.
Yeah, them niggas
And then
gonna
my
be
number
tough.
two,
Them niggas gonna be tough this season.
my number two and number one is Luka and Steph. I feel like that's obvious. And then my honorable mentions is Brunson and Drew Holiday. Drew Holiday's mad underrated, in my personal opinion.
All right, so I mean, with Drew, like, I would definitely have him in my top. I had my top 10 last year, but he's getting older. So he probably don't have that good of a season, and
Yeah.
he also, I don't know, he's still the best like defending point guard, or him or Davion Mitchell, best defending point guard.
Oh, yeah.
But like he's old, he's getting old now. So I mean, I don't think he's gonna have another top 10 point guard season. But anyway, so getting into all right, so
You got the,
we're back. AG, you're muted, but so this is my top 10. Number 10, I'm gonna have to go Harden. I mean, I'm putting him so low because we don't know like how much he's gonna play because he's probably gonna sit out if they're gonna trade him before the season starts. That's probably what he's gonna do. And he might, honestly, the nigga might not even play this season. Like honestly, he might not even play this season. And
Even when he does play, he's inconsistent.
yeah, and then he's like, he's getting old and shit. So, and he's getting, bro. He's playing with the fat suit. If he plays, he's playing with the fat suit. So I already know this nigga's stinging up the place. So, and then number
I'm
9.
worried about Travis Scott and strippers winning basketball.
And number 9, I'm gonna have to go with my man Brunson. So basically, like, I mean, he had a breakout year or whatever, and the Knicks are straight. I don't fully fuck with the Knicks, but they're a good team. I could see like him being higher, but then again, like they brought in like a lot more talent and shit. So I don't know. Like his numbers might go down, but this Knicks is gonna be a good team, so he's still gonna be up there. And then number 8,
It's also a chance Dame could go to the Knicks.
bro, that shit is not happening.
I've been hearing about that
Right,
shit.
if Dame goes
A lot more though.
If Dame goes anywhere besides the Heat, bro, I'm gonna be mad as shit. Like I want to see Dame on the Heat.
Niggas not gonna win anything anyways.
Dame's not even gonna like play his best if he doesn't go to the Heat.
Exactly.
Niggas went to the Heat when they lost like damn near half their fucking roster.
Bro,
Niggas are dumbass.
they did not lose. Bro, they lost like Max.
They're not a
Strus
playoff
and-
team anymore.
Oh my god, bro, they lost Max Strus and Gabe Vincent, bro. Can we relax,
Bro, them niggas was the key offense. Obviously, besides,
But- bro, would you rather have Strus and Gabe Vincent or Dame? Exactly.
Anybody would
I don't know.
Everybody's saying like you're
That is
putting,
crazy.
like, bro, if them losing Strus and Gabe Vincent, that production right there is literally gonna be doubled with Dame coming in. Like they're not worrying about fucking Max Strus and Davis if they get Dame. But then again, if they don't get Dame, you're gonna be right. It might not be a playoff team. But if they get Dame, bro, they're easy. Bro, I seen like Paul Pierce said, like, I think it was Paul Pierce. It was some hating ass old nigga. They were like, Dame, the Heat won't even make the playoffs with Dame. I was like, what the fuck? It was either Paul Pierce or like Kendrick Perkins. One of those outlandish ass niggas, bro. But yeah, anyway, so I gotta put Brunson at number 9. Number 8, I'm gonna go Tyrese Halliburton, not Maxey. So Halliburton, like, he's tough, and then again, the Pacers are not a winning team. They might be like a top 8 seed next year, but they're not really a winning team. Feel like there's no way Tyrese Halliburton and Benedict Mathurin are leading a team like past the play-in. Like, come on, like, could we be serious? Like, come on, bro. Like, seriously. Like, anyway. Yeah. Thoughts?
I mean, that's a good placement.
Number 8.
I think Alabama.
Number 8, I'm going with Darius Garland. And I mean, number 7, my fault. Number 7, I'm going with Darius Garland. And that's because this year, the Cavs are going to trade Donovan Mitchell, right? They're going to trade Donovan Mitchell. A random ass blockbuster. Trade Donovan Mitchell. Get like a bunch of
Top 5 things that are never happening.
Bro, I need it to happen. Because Garland needs to be able to like lead this team by himself. Like, they need to give him the opportunity to lead his team by himself. I don't know why Trevor Mitchell, that was not a good trade. Man, he's a playoff stinker. He's a playoff stinker. He's the best shooting guard in the league in the regular season. But in the playoffs, he's a stinker. Like, you can't rely on Donovan Mitchell, his main option in the playoffs. Like, bro, Garland needs to be able to lead his own team. And I believe Garland can lead his own team. He hasn't gotten the chance to, but he can. And next year, I think he'll play better than he did last year. Last year, he put like 22. That was because he was coming from an injury, and he missed like the first few games. And he was just getting back into his groove. And now the Garland Mitchell connection should have more chemistry after a whole season playing together and shit. So hopefully we can see a better a better showing from him. He was pretty consistent though. Less turnovers. He got better in those type of categories. But anyway.
Hey man, do the 76ers, Mitchell, and we'll give you Harden. That sounds like a fair trade to me.
Bro, we don't want that fat ass nigga on our team, bro. He's a strip club merchant, bro. We're not taking our James Harden serious. And he's like 34. Walking around with a fat suit on. Bro, fat suit Harden is literally top 10, like worst, like, I don't know, bro. We don't want that on our team. That's toxic. Anyway, right, number 6. I'm gonna have to give this to John Morant. So, John Morant is interesting. Because, like, he's almost like the first, 25 games. And
yeah,
the Grizzlies, like Jaden said, like, they play, like, as good or even not better without John Morant. And so that's just a bad look on him. But he's a fun player to watch and stuff. And he's a good player. Like, he has talent and to score the ball and play make and play defense. But until I can see him really helping the Grizzlies in any way at all, like, then I'm not gonna put him any higher. I'm not gonna put over number 5, who's De'Aaron Fox. Spoiler alert. But like last year, I remember I think it was a year to put the Warriors to won the finals, like 2 years ago or a year ago.
Yeah.
Like the game John went down, the Grizzlies won the next game. It was like 140-99. Like, that was some crazy. No, I think it was worse than that. Like, it was a crazy ass score.
It was like a 50-point.
Yeah, it was like a 50-point play, and Ja did not play. So they have a lot
bro,
of
they played better than him because like they can move the ball more.
Exactly.
The ball doesn't stick.
Exactly. So that's what I'm saying. Like, maybe I can't really put Ja that high when he's not really helping his team. You know. And number 5, like I said, De'Aaron Fox. De'Aaron Fox is a great leader, great point guard. Like, he can lead his team. They did face off against the Warriors, which is a hard team to beat. But I feel like they could have won. Like I was saying, so De'Aaron Fox could lead his team. He's a great player, great leader, right? Whatever. And I don't know. I feel like he's just gonna have an even better season. He's getting older. He's like 25. Yeah, he's gonna progress. And number 4, I got Shea. Now, Shea will be higher, but after what we just seen from Damian Lillard last season, like I can't even. I can't even imagine what Dame's gonna show us this season. Pause. And so like Shea just like he's a fun player to watch too. He also has a really unorthodox jump shot, but it works and he's fun to watch. The Thunder are gonna be a good team, probably like the top 8, and they're young. Probably the youngest team in the league, I'm pretty sure. Or the Rockets. It's either them or the Rockets anyway. Like Shay's gonna give you buckets. Shay's gonna like lead his team. Like he's a great player. And yeah. And number three, I got Dame. Dame had a great season last season. I'm really excited to see what he shows for this season. You know, he is getting a little older, but I thought that last year too. And what happened? He had the best season of his career. So I hope he gets traded to Miami. I want to see him like actually play with some good players and not fucking what's the nigga's name? Nurkic. Like, bruh, no one wants to see that nigga anymore. Anyway, number 2, I'm going Curry. Last year, Curry was at number 1, but he's getting older. Luka's gonna get better. That's all I gotta say for that. Oh yeah. AG.
So for number 10, I got Shea.
What?
He had a good season. You know what I'm saying? Good season. Everybody knows that. Fun to watch.
What?
But
bro, Shea
I'm looking forward to seeing what he could do this year. Because like last year, you know what I'm saying, wasn't the best outcome. Didn't have a good team. It is what it is. We'll see what he can do with Chet. Number 9, we got Darius Garland. I don't know, self-explanatory. Kind of already explained it already. And then number 8, we got Chris Paul.
All right.
He's getting old, but like, bro, like he can pass the ball. Like he's still like a top 2 passer in the league.
No,
he's still leading the league in assists. He's still doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? Number 7, we got Ja.
Bro, this nigga's is terrible. All right.
So reason that like, I don't know. I feel like he could do more for the team. Yeah. Like, yeah, you could score, but like, if you really want to like win a chip and lead a team to the finals, you got to be able to like lock up on the assists and all of that. Number 6, we got Kyrie. He's tough. Didn't make the playoffs though. Number 5, we got Dame. Had a tough ass season. Nigga went crazy. Number 4, we got Jamal Murray.
Okay.
Won a chip. You know what I'm saying? He's an excellent point guard, bro. He's an excellent point guard. He could do everything. Like, he could really do everything. Yeah, he got, like, basically a super team, but, like, that nigga can do everything. Well, where am I at? Number 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know who to put at number 3, but fuck no.
I think you said put LaMelo.
Number 3, we're gonna go with De'Aaron Fox.
Not bad.
He had a good season. Beat the odds basically with that trash ass team of his, fucking Domantas Sabonis and shit. That nigga sold the series, by the way. They would have won that shit if it weren't for him. But yeah, all around player. Number 2, Luka. Number 1, Steph.
Bro, you had the worst list I've ever heard in my life.
Bro, that's just tough. That's just tough.
Shea at 10, Chris Paul at 7, and Jamal Murray at 4.
Bro, putting Jamal Murray in top 5 point guard talks is literally probably the worst take I've heard in my life. On God.
Bro, y'all niggas not hearing me, bro.
We're not hearing
you. The Chris Paul take is worse than LaMelo Ball tandem.
Bro, LaMelo Ball being 10 is a better take than Chris Paul being number 8.
Hell no, it's not.
Yes, it is, bro.
Hell no, it's not. LaMelo
It's not even
Ball.
the fact. It's not even the
He's a
fact.
fucking AAU player.
It's
Let that
not
nigga on
only the
Broadway
fact.
at least, man.
Bro, but still,
Bro, it's not the fact that it's also the fact you put him at 8, but it's also the fact you put him over Shea. Like that's work.
Okay, but being real, what has Shea like really done? Like, what has he really done? What did he really do last season?
bro, he put up 31 and 5, bro. And he led his team to like at least
Did he lead his team
it's
to
not,
the
it's
playoffs?
not, bro. That's the youngest team in the league. Like, bro, obviously, like
Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. They're gonna be tough this year. I'm gonna put him at 10 right now.
Chris Paul did not lead his team.
I'm gonna put him at 10 right now because they're gonna be tough this year. They're gonna have Chet. They're gonna have a bunch of young core guys on top of that with Shea, and then they got a pretty deep bench. I think like they're not bad, but like last year, I don't know. It was a cool season for him, like him specifically, but for the team wise, like
bro,
them niggas didn't do anything.
But okay,
what
like
did Chris Paul do for his team?
Yeah.
Besides pass.
Bro, do you know how many assists that nigga averaged? Hold on, let me look this shit up.
Nigga, I could play
I'm
Chris
saying
Paul.
besides passing, what did he do?
No, bro, did he even lead the league in assists, or was he even top 3?
He had to be top 3. As long as he led it.
That nigga averaged. Hold on.
No way.
Not to mention, this nigga had Kevin Durant and Devin Booker,
Bro,
and still couldn't win anything.
It was.
He didn't average more than 8 assists.
He didn't average. It was Harden, Trae Young. He was number 4. Chris Paul was number 4. Jokic, Trae Young, and Harden had more than 2.
I'm pretty sure Tyrese Halliburton. I'm pretty sure Tyrese Halliburton was also in top 5 for assists. Chris Paul was not top 5 assists. Chris Paul was not a top, bro. Chris Paul is not top.
Okay, here's his stats. He averaged 14 points a game, 4.3 rebounds a game, and 8.9 assists.
Exactly, bro. He put up 8.
So he was in the top 5 for assists.
No,
while
he was
coming
not.
off the bench as a 6 man.
He was not playing shit. Bro, what are you saying?
Bro, if you're 38 and you're a 6 man, it's time to retire. There's no point in being
time to play golf.
Well, I mean, nigga, he's 6 foot, right? He's 6 foot. He's tiny. What else can he do besides pass the ball?
He can shoot the ball. Curry's about the same size.
All right, we're gonna wrap this up because it's getting long, and I just heard the worst take of my life. So hope y'all enjoyed. We're gonna have more. We're gonna have more people and shit. And that was just for the point guards. We're gonna do everybody else like other positions and shit. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Yeah. Say bye.
All right,
Anyone gonna say bye?
So, peace out.
Yeah. Jamel's a goat.
Bro, Jamel is the worst mic in here, bro. I don't know why this nigga shit is so ass. This nigga has an iPhone 6.
Jamel, what are you recording on?
I got headphones.
Bro, that nigga turned into a microwave.